How long have you been involved with real estate?
So I've been investing in real estate for about 15 years.
What were you doing before your real estate investor? What is your career?
So before real estate investing, I'm an accountant. I was working corporate and just really doing budgets and financial planning and analysis, more on the taxes and auditing as well.
Where are you from originally?
I am from Manila, Philippines.
How did you came to the U.S.?
My grandparents on my dad's side and all of my other aunts and uncles were already here in the U.S. So when they petitioned us, it took really 20 years before we could all come here. And it was hard for us to even move because my parents both had their businesses. We were going to the top schools in the Philippines. And I just graduated high school. And that's exactly when they decided that it's time to move. So we had to drop all of that and move over to New Jersey.
What happened when you told your parents, hey, I'm going to become a real estate investor? What was their reaction?
All they thought was crazy because the traditional path for most Filipino families are you get good education, which I thought I did, right? Get a good job and you just work. Investing wasn't something really looked at. And I can tell you, even in the other properties I bought for the properties we've had in New Jersey, they were laughing at me for buying this house because they're like, why would you want to do that? You just want a house with white picket fences. Why buy and live with your tenants? That was my first property.
Why do you want to become a real estate investor? Why was that important?
So why real estate investing was super important for me is because we saw the power of how it can leverage time, how we can scale and expedite it in a way that we don't have to work until we're 65, which is what most people had taught us. And that's not a plan for everyone. We find that with real estate investing, we're able to shorten the distance from where we want to go, from where we are right now to where we want to go.
So you had a career, you had a pretty great income. Why was that not enough?
The more that I climbed that corporate ladder, the more hours I work. There's just no way around it. The more responsibilities I have, the more that I'm required to work on nights and weekends, holidays. And that's just not something I saw for my life. And I feel that I can do more. And that's why I left the corporate job, because at the end of the day, that's not mine. That's someone else's dream. So that's why I said, let me go build my own dream.
When you became a real estate investor that you saw really the potential, what was your doubts going through the process?
Well, the doubt was really, can we handle the tenants? That people are always unpredictable.